You know, a roof leak, burst pipe, or water heater can seem like the worst thing that ever happened until you call your insurance company. You paid for coverage, you trusted they would be there. But what you got was the runaround. Stormclaim.com is here to help. Their adjusters and consultants, along with an integrated team of contractors and other experts, work to find the best solution to getting your property back to where it was before the loss. Don't face the storm alone. Visit stormclaim.com today.